In the dark I walk alone on a step edge. The cold wind persists, the shore bringing endless word. But I will not give up, even storms come and kiss. Every step I take is a promise to keep open. But away, curlies will come and hit. In my heart, I hope you will be like at the ends of me. But I will not give up, even storms come and hit. Every step I take is this promise to keep open. Slip out the clothes, but away, curlies come and storms come and hit. Every step I take is a promise to keep open. Even though I fall, I rise again. Even though this hurts, I will not stop. The sun will continue its shine. The rest in the fight it is on. When the fight in the fight, it was shine and struck out and hit. Every step I take, this is a promise to keep open. When I reach my destination, all what will become memories. This journey is over, and I can get through it all.